Today I'm going to demonstrate how to manipulate the text file or CSV file into a analyzable format. This example is trying to import the data from the NetSuite company ERP system. This is a trial balance from NetSuite. So I do a lot of this, and then the main part about this exercise is to use the string manipulation formula to do the job to make the data to be analyzable. So during my career, I always find that the data always has some confirmation or repeating pattern. So at first, the data has to be edited before you can use the data to do analysis, such as forensic analysis. So when I show this to people, this little trick, so this little trick, they will be amazed for what I have done, because it really saves them a lot of time when they try to do the import into the ProFat system, which is the auditing software, and then we can do compilation by using the software to do the financial statement. This is just a little trick, and then this doesn't represent this is all I know. But then I've done a lot of things in my past CPA firm that they really appreciate what I did, and then and I don't do it very accurately, and then yeah. So I think this video will be beneficial if someone doesn't know the string manipulation. So right now, as you can see, let me see the summation from okay. Because I'm using my laptop, I'm not using the mouse right now. I don't have the mouse. I can do it better. You can see it's zero. So the trial balance is completely balanced. But then the software cannot. Most of the time, it will wind the thing up. So you also want to do the winding, and then as you can see, there's $2 different. And then what I learned from other CPA is that you put the $2 somewhere to make them go zero. So so it should be positive too. But then $1 or $2 is not going to make a material difference. But you can see all this. You can see what I try to do is to separate the number from the description, so it worked already. Well, I do a lot of inventory reconciliation, and then when I download data from the fulfillment center, most of them is just CSV file. Some of them doesn't even have CSV file, and then you have to copy from the web page directly into the Excel. So this 5,472, let me see. Let's accumulate depreciation. So I understand that if someone doesn't know this formula, it will be a kind of very time consuming can do the part for the data analysis, even put them into analyzable and analyzable function. So it's still okay. So I always double check everything before I go forward, because you don't want to make mistake in accounting. I understand a lot of people going to do finance, but then most of the time either the strategy or the strategic accounting, they may not work because they don't have someone who can execute it for them. Yeah, that's the main part that people cannot do, is they don't know how to execute. Yeah. So as you can see, this is just a practice example. So some of the account may not be well. This trial balance is not fixed yet. It's just an example how I import it into the Profess system. That's 5. So okay, and then now the final step of the most important thing in the string manipulation data is to lock the cell. You should lock the cell, and then without locking the cell, everything is gone. Yeah. I know you may be thinking, the system, the system, like we need maybe someone VBA and I'm doing this part, but actually, like what I learned from a CPA firm is that you always do things that has already exist first before you invest all the energy into doing something that maybe we solved it already. So we can delete the middle data right now, or we can save a copy. I always save a copy. Yeah, that's about it. And then all these numbers should be converted to number. It really doesn't matter in the Profess system, if I remember correctly, that now you don't need to convert to number. Yeah. So that's about it. Like in less than 5 minutes, I do something that it take the other people who doesn't know the string manipulation in an hour to do. So thank you for watching.